Hi guys! So, ayan, kumukulo na yung meat natin guys. This is pork for nilaga. And as a moment guys, ilalagay na natin yung ating bell pepper. Ayan guys. Wala kasi kaming corn and celery. So, optional natin yan guys. Ang sarap guys. So, tingnan nyo guys. Nagmamantika yung ating pork. Guys, so tignan nyo guys. So, may timpla na po yan. Papakunin pa lang po natin ng konti pa. Tapos may bell pepper. Syempre po, ayun o. Guys, ang sarap yan guys. Sinikman ko na yan. Kasim part ng pork. Kasim meat parts. So, yan. Pakuloy lang natin ng ilang minuto pa guys. Tapos, babalikan ko kayo para sa ating green leaves, which is pechay and cabbage. So, yun lang guys. Mamaya ulit. Thank you! Hi guys! I'm back. So, yun guys. Ito yung niluluto natin. Nilagang pork. Yan. At this moment guys, mabilis lang to guys. Nagugas po ko ng kamay. Yan guys. Lagyan natin yung cabbage or repolyo. Sarap guys, oh. Yummy. Hindi ko lang. So, yun guys. Okay na yung ating cabbage or repolyo. Last natin lagay itong pechay. So, yan. Medyo madami guys. Kasi marami kami dito. Assemble ko lang guys. So, wait lang. So, yun guys. Nalagay na natin yung repolyo and pechay. Wait lang natin siya ng 2 to 3 minutes. Or 5 minutes. Para hindi naman siya malanta. Para fresh na fresh yung ating gulay. At hindi malanta. Ayan, papakuluan lang ulit natin guys. Babalik ako. Bye! Hi guys! So, ayan, update tayo guys. Ayan guys, luto na ating nilagang pork guys. Sarap guys, oh. Apo. Daming meat guys, oh. Yan, luto na yung ating gulay. Repolyo and pechay. Daming pork guys, oh. Sa ilalim guys, marami yan. Parang 2 kilo ata to guys. Tapos may saging. Repolyo and pechay. Sarap guys. Mapapa-only rice na naman tayo nito guys. To my supporters, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ingat kayong lahat. Happy weekend everyone. And happy lunchtime. Kain na tayo guys. Ang sarap guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Kain na po tayo.